Hi children, I hope everyone is fine at your respective places. Today I would like to teach you grammar part, that is punctuation. Punctuation. The semicolon is used to connect independent clauses. It shows a closer relationship between the clauses than a period would show. Remember children very clearly, the semicolon is used to connect independent clauses. It shows a closer relationship between the clauses than a period would show. So remember here, period and the colons, semicolon. John was hurt. He knew she only said it to upset him. So John was hurt. It is one independent clause. He knew she only said it to upset him. It is an independent clause. Here both the independent clauses connected with semicolon. So John was hurt is an independent clause. He knew she only said it to upset him is an independent clause. These two independent clauses connected with semicolon. A colon has three main uses. The first is after a word introducing a quotation, an explanation, an example, or a series. Remember children clearly, a colon has three main uses. The first is after a word introducing a quotation, second one for an explanation, third one an example or a series. Okay, let us see example. He was planning to study 4 subjects: politics, philosophy, sociology and economics. For example, you can use the same word. Ramu wanted to play cricket, tennis, chess and volleyball. Okay, Ramu wanted to play. There we used a colon. Then we used cricket, tennis, tendicoid, shuttle badminton and football. So in the same sequence, to tell about the series, to tell about the explanation, we used here a colon. So in the given sentence, he was planning to study 4 subjects. These 4 subjects explanation, and it has given as a series, we used colon. In the example sentence, Ramos wish to play in different series, in different games we have seen, that is by using a colon. The second is between independent clauses when the second explains the first, similar to a semicolon. So what was the second usage here? The second is between independent clauses when the second explains the first, similar to a semicolon. So I didn't have time to get changed. I was already late. See the difference here? Between independent clause, when the second explains the first. So when the second one gives the meaning or explanation about first sentence. Suppose here, I didn't have time to get changed because I was already late. So I was already late is explaining about the sentence I didn't have time to get changed. Okay, hope children you understood well. The third use of a colon is for emphasis. There was one thing she loved more than any other, her dog. It is an emphasis. See there, her dog. There was one thing she loved more than any other, her dog. Showing very clearly on a pressure field here. A colon also has non-grammatical uses in time, ratio, business, correspondence, and references. Okay. Now, dash and the hyphen. Two other common punctuation marks are the dash and hyphen. These marks are often confused with each other due to their appearance, but they are very different. When we see here dash and hyphen seems to be same, but there is a difference. A dash is used to separate words into statements. There are two common types of dashes, N dash and M dash. N dash and M dash. There are two types of dash. N dash, twice as long as a hyphen. The N dash is a symbol that is used in writing or printing to indicate a range, connections, or differentiations, such as 1880 to 1945 or Princeton, New York trains. Children, please understand, twice as long as a hyphen. The N dash is a symbol. So already I have given in the symbol in the slide, that is used in writing or printing just to indicate a range, to indicate connections, or to indicate differentiations, such as an example 1880 to 1945 or 1915 to 1935 or 1947 to till now, or Princeton, New York trains, or Delhi, Aurangabad Express, Hyderabad, Tirupati Express. So where we use here N dash. M dash, longer than the N dash. The M dash can be used in place of a comma, parenthesis, or colon to enhance readability or emphasize the conclusion of a sentence. For example, she gave him her answer. And no. Whether you put spaces around the M dash or not is a style choice. Just be consistent. So here M dash in the sense, it can be used in place of a comma or parenthesis or colon to enhance readability or emphasize the conclusion of a sentence. So conclusion of the sentence, to assure the conclusion of the sentence. Example, she gave him her answer. No. Okay, I think you understood very well.